These birds have long been recognized for their intelligence, but their abilities go far beyond what most people imagine. They can craft tools, solve intricate puzzles, and adapt to challenges in ways that are simply astonishing. From using sticks to crack tough problems to thinking through multi-step tasks, crows have earned their reputation as some of the smartest animals on the planet. In today's episode of The Story of Animals, we'll explore just how crafty these crows really are. Crows belong to the corvid family, which also includes ravens, magpies, and jays. Known for their high intelligence, these birds consistently challenge our expectations of what animals are capable of. In fact, many scientists consider crows to be on par with some primates in terms of cognitive abilities. But what makes them so remarkable? Crows exhibit something called causal reasoning, the ability to understand the relationship between cause and effect. This is a skill we typically associate with humans or highly intelligent mammals. For crows, it's not just about trial and error. They're able to think ahead, plan, and execute tasks with a clear goal in mind. This advanced problem-solving ability allows them to adapt to their surroundings in creative ways. One of the most fascinating aspects of crow intelligence is their ability to use tools. We often think of tool use as something unique to humans or a few select animals, but crows are breaking that mold. In the wild, they've been observed using sticks to extract insects from tree bark, dropping nuts onto roads for cars to crack open, and even shaping leaves or other materials to create new tools. What's impressive is that some species of crows, like the New Caledonian crow, take this to another level. These birds can modify sticks into hooks or barbed tools to reach food that would otherwise be inaccessible. This isn't a skill they're born with. It's something they learn and refine over time. Studies have shown that they can even pass this knowledge on to younger crows, suggesting a form of cultural transmission within their communities. But it doesn't stop at tools. Crows are also masters at solving puzzles, sometimes incredibly complex ones. Researchers have designed experiments where crows have to complete multi-step tasks to receive a reward, and they're not simple by any means. These tasks often require the crow to use several different tools in sequence or to figure out how to move objects in a specific order. One well-known experiment involved a crow named Betty, who was able to bend a piece of wire into a hook to retrieve food from a tube. Betty had never been taught how to do this. She figured it out on her own. This level of problem-solving is exceptional and highlights just how crafty these birds can be. Another experiment involved a puzzle box, where crows had to drop stones into a container of water to raise the water level and access a floating treat. This is based on Aesop's fable, The Crow and the Pitcher, and shows that the tale might not be so far-fetched after all. The crows were able to understand the concept of displacement and knew that by adding weight to the container, they could solve the problem. Crows are not just clever in the wild. They've also become experts at navigating the urban world. cities can be challenging environments for many animals, but crows seem to thrive in them. They've been seen using traffic lights to their advantage, waiting for the light to turn red before retrieving food from the street safely. In other instances, they'll use human-made objects in their toolkits, like using pieces of wire or even plastic. Their adaptability also extends to their social structure. Crows are highly social birds, often living in family groups. They communicate with each other through a range of vocalizations and body language. In some cases, they've even been observed remembering human faces and warning others about potential threats. So, if a crow has ever swooped down and seemed to recognize you, it might actually have a good memory. Speaking of their social lives, crows have a complex and tight-knit community structure. They mate for life and often raise their young with the help of older siblings or even unrelated crows. This cooperative behavior enhances their chances of survival and allows them to teach each other new skills, including those related to tool use and problem solving. Crows have also been observed holding funerals for their deceased. When a crow dies, others gather around, calling loudly and observing the fallen bird. Scientists believe this behavior might serve as a way to learn about potential dangers in the area, such as predators, or to strengthen social bonds within the group. Crows are far more than just ordinary birds. Their tool use, puzzle-solving abilities, and adaptability make them one of the most intelligent creatures in the animal kingdom. From shaping tools to solving problems that would stump many animals, crows show us that intelligence in the wild comes in many forms. Next time you see a crow perched on a fence or flying through the trees, remember, they might just be sizing up their next problem to solve. Thanks for watching The Story of Animals. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more fascinating insights into the animal world. See you next time.